Greetings, traders. This is David with Oil Trading Academy, and I would like to announce that I have classes that are going to be starting here within a week or two at my website, Oil Trading Academy. And these classes will be various different kinds of classes that I will offer, from beginner class to Code 1, Code 2, Code 3, and a master course on all the codes. I made $75,000 last week using the codes, and I have come to some substantial revelations with respect to the codes. And I am going to start teaching these revelations along with the codes themselves. These codes will be taught in a different way than what I taught them before. They will be taught in a much easier way to understand. No more jargon anymore, like temps, specials, secondaries, keys. All of that has been taken out. I've simplified the entire system, the entire codes, and I have improved upon them considerably. And I have made some substantial revelations, as I said, on how to use the codes. And I am being more successful now than I've ever been before, ever. And like I said, I made $75,000 last week. And the week before, I also made a lot. I made about $50,000 the week before that. And it's all because of the revelations that I have discovered. And now I have been contemplating whether or not I'm going to share these revelations with the public, because I have received a great deal of, what's the right word? A great deal of, there's a people out there who don't want me to speak this truth. And they try to make my life very miserable for speaking this truth, including slandering me, calling me a scammer, etc., etc. You know, they want to make it look like that to the public so that people don't realize that these codes are 100% real. And they don't want people to know that. So they make it difficult for me. But, and I've thought about it a lot, teaching these codes and waking people up to what's going on is the right thing to do. And not only does it help thousands of people make money at the markets already, but it also gets the truth out there. And I think the truth needs to be gotten out there. I think that people need to wake up to what's going on. I think the whole world should understand that all of the global markets, every instrument there is in the world, is all being controlled in advance by a computer program and is not really trading. Everybody in the world needs to know that so they can understand that the entire financial system is a scam to begin with. But on top of that, more than that, I think that people should know the codes so that they can also go out and make money. It's just that simple. Now, the way I taught Code 1 and Code 2, I taught that way back in the year 2010. It has been 9 long years since I have taught those codes. And just recently I taught the Code 3. But I have made substantial revelations about the codes, and I can now teach you how to use them in a superior way, and how to use them on, let's put it this way, I can tell you a method that you can use, that you can trade to make money every single day. You do not have to be stuck in a sideways moving market. You do not have to sit there and trade something that isn't going anywhere. I will teach you how to find what is going somewhere that day and to trade that instrument using a simplified approach to the codes. I can almost assure all of you that I can make you successful now. It has been a long time since I've taught this, and I've learned a great deal over the last 9 years on how to teach it. And I've simplified it to the point now where I think I have perfected it. And I have been using it, and it is working really super good. But I'm not going to put it onto videos because videos have their own set of problems to them. So what I'm going to do is offer classes. You can come into class, interact with me, talk with me, ask me questions. I will explain it right there to you. And what you are seeing right here, right now, I will explain it like this to you. And if needed, I will look at your software to make sure that you are seeing the right thing that I'm seeing and that you are making the right decisions. But with this simplified approach, I believe that I can make all of you successful now. I know a lot of you, or at least some of you, have had trouble with the codes. I believe that that was because I made it too complicated. Not real, I didn't do it on purpose. I did it because that was how I had discovered it at the time. Over time, you do things better. You improve upon your own system, your own self, your own teaching, your own thoughts. You start to realize that, oh, I don't need to teach it like this. I don't need to teach this. It's all garbage. It's all nonsense. Just simplify it and teach it in a simple way that is so easy to understand. I think I've done that. I think I've perfected that. I'm ready to teach it now. And I will show you how I have made $75,000 this last week in a real interactive broker's account. And I could easily show that to you. My account is way, way up right now. And with this new method, this new system, I will be able to make this kind of money so easily, every day, every week. My accuracy level right now is approaching 95%. That's right. I now have a 95% accuracy rate on my trades because of this simplified approach using a slightly different methodology, a more simplified and a superior methodology. So classes are going to begin at my website in about a week or two. I still have to set it all up, but you will see the classes on the website instead of the courses for sale. Instead of 1, 2, and 3 video courses, you will see the classes instead. I feel that classes will be superior to the videos in being able to teach people and getting them successful. If you can't make the class, you can still sign up and I will record the class for you and send it to you. You'll be able to hear everybody's question, you'll be able to hear my answer, and see anybody else's screen that happened to share their screen with the class so that I could see what their screen looks like, what their broker looks like, what their chart looks like, make sure they have it all set up properly. So I just wanted to give you a quick video, let you know what's coming, and just look for it on the website and on the social media, Twitter, Facebook, etc. And you will see it there. When it's ready to go, I will announce it. I'll also send out an email to all 5,000 emails that I have of clients. And so if you're a client, you will get an email and you can take the class, one of the classes if you want. I'm going to have a beginner's class, Code 1 class, Code 2, Code 3, and an advanced class. In the advanced class, I'll really teach you some. Those are for you that have gotten all 3 codes. You're pretty good at them right now, and now you want to go to an even higher level. I will take you to an even higher level now. Teach you how to put all 3 codes together to make an absolute fortune. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm basically using a combination of all the codes, Code 1, Code 2, and Code 3, on different instruments that I will show you. And you are going to be amazed at how easy it is to make money. My recommendation is at this point not to trade oil anymore. There's too many other good instruments out there for you to trade oil. Now don't get me wrong, if oil really heats back up again really big, then it would be worth it, but right now it is not. So there's too many other. Let's put it this way: I made $75,000 last week. I didn't trade oil at all. I made $50,000 a week before that. I didn't trade oil at all. Nothing. Not even one trade. So I will show you what I'm trading. So stay tuned for classes coming, and I am going to teach all of you that are interested a whole new way to go about doing this. A way that is far superior than what I taught before. So I'll see you in a week or two again here on YouTube. I'll announce it again and announce it to everyone through email, social media, etc. when everything is ready to go. Hope you're doing well at your trading, and if you are not, then you should seriously consider taking the class, one of the classes, and even if you're doing really super well, take the advanced class. I'll take you to the next level. So happy trading from David at Oil Trading Academy.